Justin Vakula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast here at Hyatt Regency O'Hare in Chicago. I am in the premium or premier tower. Just checking into the room here. Originally booked this as a 2-bedroom in case any guests, but it's just me this time. So we got a nice couch over here, a desk for a laptop, and the outside view, maybe. All right, yeah, we got a little bit of a view. We're not too high up here, pretty low, but that's all right. Some complimentary water with the Hyatt Globalist or Guest of Honor benefit. So nice and spacious. In here, we have a coffee maker, a fridge area, and the bathroom. Nothing too special in the bathroom here, but just fine. So Hyatt Regency O'Hare Chicago here for the Chicago seminars, of course, at Hyatt Regency.